Hey fam, today we want to showcase the cars that are driven by our Zimdancehall artists. It is comforting to know that despite the hard economic situation in Zimbabwe, some of the well-to-do Zimdancehall artists have managed to secure their own personal vehicles. As a disclaimer though, some of the cars you will see in this video may or may not belong to the Zimdancehall artist associated with, as the pictures that you shall see were taken from their Facebook and Instagram account, and it is only those vanogara kumaraini mamwe chete these artists who truly know which cars they drive.